Snapdragon confirmed for Galaxy S25. At least one of the models we are pretty sure is going to have Snapdragon, since TM-Raw was at the Qualcomm event, and this is a very clear demonstration. If you do not know, TM-Raw is CEO of Samsung, so it is obvious that if he participated in the Qualcomm conference presenting the new processor, they will integrate this processor in the next series. So, I think those who are waiting for Galaxy S25 Ultra could have complete peace of mind. On the other hand, Galaxy S25 in the base model and Plus model, it is also said that they will use this processor, and do you know who said it? The Menino of Leaks. The very same Ice Universe, who usually gets all his predictions right, has published this assertion saying that the entire series will bet on Snapdragon 8 Elite. So not even the MediaTek Dimensity 9, which was attracting a lot of attention, has been able to attract Samsung to use it in its high-end series device, nor much less the Exynos 25 that was being said about 3 years ago that it was finally going to be a worthy processor. Finally, the time came to see if they delivered, and that dream team that was making this processor disappointed. Although Exynos 25 is not ruled out, but it could be a complete failure. Some say that maybe it could be integrated into one of Samsung's next generation foldables, because imagine if they didn't use it. What a waste of money to have been researching and developing this processor, because it is said that for like 3 years they were working on this processor. But the evolution that both MediaTek and Snapdragon have had, especially in the artificial intelligence section, has caused Exynos to no longer be present in this series. Let me know if you consider this to be good news, or would you have liked to give MediaTek Dimensity 9 a chance at least in the base model of the series. I would like to see it in at least the S25 FE, although rumors suggest that this device will actually use the Exynos 25, which would seem like a bad decision to me, but we don't know yet.